friends, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I am absolutely that female who doesn't mind doing a little DIY beauty and hair care and nail care. I've been doing it since I was a little girl, and many of you probably have too. So when Madam Glam reached out to me inviting me to try their at-home gel polish, I jumped at the chance. I was able to select 3 gel colors, and along with that they sent me the base coat and the top coat. They also sent me a mini UV LED lamp to set or cure the polish in place, and the lamp operates by USB. So it comes with the charging cord, but not the adapter. So be sure you have an adapter on hand to use, or you can even plug the USB into your computer, just whatever is convenient for you. I received 2 boxes. One contained the 3 polishes and the top coat and the base coat, and the other box contained the lamp with the instructions on how to use the lamp, very detailed instructions, and a little bit about the company. And there was also a postcard with details on how to apply the polishes. So everything looked really user-friendly. They really take you step by step, and I felt confident that I had everything I needed to get started with my at-home manicure. So the first step is to apply the base coat. And you know, I was having a really good day and everything was peaceful. I just took my time and made sure to get a nice thin layer of the base coat on each nail bed. I have learned to be patient and not rush when I do my nails, because I will have nobody to blame but me if they come out looking sloppy. So take it from me, just be patient when you're doing your nails, ladies, and believe me, they'll come out looking so much nicer. But after you apply the base coat, the directions say to cure that base coat. When I say cure, I mean to set it. So same thing. Now, unless I missed it, I did not see how long I was supposed to set or cure the base coat, so I cured for 60 seconds. But I will tell you, I did see in the directions that the lamp is kind of pre-programmed. You press it one time for 45 seconds and then press it twice for 60 seconds. So I just decided to do a 60-second cure because I wanted to make sure it was set. And I figured I'd rather overset it than underset it. And after you cure the base coat, it's time to apply the polish. And guess what? I took a poll and I asked you all what color you'd like to see me do a demonstration of. So hands down, this is the color Coral Flirt that won. So thank you all for voting. I really do appreciate you for just taking the time and engaging with me. It's beautiful. It absolutely screams just kind of summer and easy breezy. I love this color. The directions say to apply 1 to 2 thin coats, and one coat was kind of see-through, so I decided to apply 2 because I wanted it to be vibrant and opaque, and just really beautiful, you know, and just really show off this color. And after I applied each coat, I cured after both of those coats. And let me tell you, you know, if you like what you're seeing so far, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you like what you're seeing, watch till the end. Make sure you watch until the end, because I do have a discount code that you can use to get your own gel polishes. And one thing I did know, that I noticed immediately, is there's a difference between the gel polish, or at least these gel polishes, and regular nail polish. The gel polish is a lot thicker, and I was careful not to make a mess and put on too much. The directions say to apply thin coats of polish. Take it from me, follow the directions and do as they say, because I can see it becoming a thick mess otherwise. Look at the beautiful color. You can't see my face as I'm filming this, but I am cheesing because look, I did this at home. And it's really beautiful. I used to keep my nails up back in the day. I loved polishing my nails and putting on acrylic tips. I would alternate going to the salon and doing my nails at home because, you know, I just liked, you know, having beautiful beautiful hands, you know, a beautiful nails. And I would alternate going back and forth from the salon versus doing it at home because I just liked seeing what I could do. And doing my nails at home or my hair or anything, it's just my way of having some self-pamper time, and it's something that I enjoy. But as I got a little older and was working full time and you know, just adult life set in, I kind of got out of the habit of doing my nails. So I am back into the groove, hopefully, and I really would love to just spend a little bit more time taking care of my fingers. And if you're wondering, this little lamp is not hot at all. You can't even feel anything. My only con with this whole kit so far is the size of the curing lamp. I wish it was a little bigger because I was afraid to spread my fingers out too much, you know, for fear of messing up the polish on either my pinky or my thumb. So when I slid my hand in, I was just really careful not to touch the sides of the lamp. But I was really pleased at how vibrant the polish was. It looked like a professional job to me, which is exactly why I love DIY. I can get beautiful results at home, the same results I'd pay a lot of money for at the nail salon. So the next to the last step is to apply that top coat. And the top coats, they're just like the top coat rather is like a regular top coat. It's not unusually thick. It's not thicker than most top coats. So I just put on a light coat there, and then I cured it afterwards. So I'm showing you my left hand. I kind of started my right hand, but I finished up the entire left hand first. And after I finished it, then I started on my right hand. If you're wondering, why isn't she doing her right hand? I did. I put the base coat on my right hand and then finished up the polish on the left hand. And I believe when I cured the top coat, I did 2 minutes as well. And like I said, I didn't see any specific instructions on how long to cure it, but I decided on 2 minutes. And the very last step after you've applied all the gel polish is to remove the tacky residue with an alcohol wipe. And I'll say don't skip this step. At first I was feeling my fingers to see if I felt anything, and at first I did not, but I did notice kind of a tacky feeling. So I just used an alcohol swab to get off that little tacky feeling on the top. It's just, if you don't do it, you'll just have an ever so slightly sticky feeling on your nails. So don't do that. And I'm just, like I said, I was just over the moon at how nice my nails came out. I want to thank my viewers who voted on this pretty color. Just thank you again. It is called Coral Flirt, and it's perfect for summer. And of course, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending these polishes to me. I have a little treat for you. Use coupon code naturallycorporate30_1 to save 30% on your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep it naturally corporate.